وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
We have made this Quran simple and clear for guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Dear learners, today we are going to discuss another sound called palato-alveolar affricate. Let's begin our topic. Dear learners, when the middle, front of the tongue touches the area between the alveolar ridge and the hard palate and block the air and then release it with a slight explosion and friction making.
Ja.
This sound is called affricate because it is produced with friction and explosion similar to the English letter sound. Judge. Let's check the sound with short vowels pattern.
Ja. Je. Jo.
Listen once again.
Ja. Je. Jo.
Dear learners, now come to the long vowels application to the sound.
Ja. Ji. Ju.
Dear, listen once again.
Ja. Ji. Ju.
Dear listeners, now come to example. In Arabic, camel is called
Jamal.
Dear learners, do you see how we can form a complete word using short and long Arabic vowels? Step by step, we will continue learning Arabic in this way. By doing so, you will not only be able to understand the Quran, but you will also be able to communicate in this language. Stay connected with the tutorials. Thank you.